Today I just want to show you guys the Normcore's newest tamper, spring-loaded tamper version 5.0. Out of the box, in typical Normcore fashion, it comes with the diagram and the spring pressure settings and things like that. And this is a highly adjustable tamper, and it's fairly expensive, around $80. Here's the tamper. Comes with the silicone rubber base, and it's titanium coated, and it has a leveling plate on top, and the top part is all black, fairly nice. And what else is in the box? Pretty much that's it. Nothing else comes in the box. No additional springs, nothing, because there's a reason for that. Now, there are different gears in this tamper, and those gears are etched in the stainless steel part of this. I don't know if you can see it. It's really difficult to see, but let me see if I can get it right here. Let's see that number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, and then number 6 to be the highest. All right, currently it's at number 1, pressure setting. That's the default, comes out of the box. But simply by turning the top handle, you can bring this arrow to the number to increase the pressure. Also, the maximum depth stays same, 21 millimeter depth, but the pressure increases. So what I want to do is I want to set this to 4, keep it around 30 pounds. That equals to 29.8. So here's 3, and here's 4. That's how I'm going to use this one. So overall construction is very nice, fairly hefty. Let's go ahead and weigh this. It weighs 432.8 grams. So it's fairly hefty. And I like that it's titanium coated. That means it's not gonna have any issues with the coffee grounds sticking on it. And I like this handle part. Very well built, feels good in hand. Let's compare this with another spring-loaded tamper from Normcore. This is the one with the colorful handle. This is version 4.0 with the interchangeable springs. And this tamper comes with the metal base, also titanium coated. And this is the handle. And here's the comparison of two tampers. They're both 58.5 millimeter. Again, this does not have any removable springs, it's just adjustable. This comes with 2 extra springs for lighter or harder pressure. As it is, it comes with the 25 pounds of pressure. And one cool thing about the Normcore, a lot of these things are interchangeable, like the handle and the base plate and such with the Normcore. Let's go ahead and see if the base plate is removable. Yes, it is. So if you're not into flat base, you're always order a ripple base from Normcore. We know the other one already is completely interchangeable, the handle, the base, and everything. This is another excellent Normcore product. It has sound feedback, so basically as you tamp, you can hear it. This is spring-loaded tamper version 5.0, and then the spring pressure settings are highly adjustable, anywhere from 25 pounds to 34 pounds. Which is incredibly versatile. There are 6 different settings. If you're in the market for a spring-loaded tamper with easy adjustment, this is the one to go with. So I'll have the links in the description for both of these tampers. And if you order through those links, you'll be supporting my channel so I can keep making videos like this for you, bring up the interesting products. So if you find this video interesting, go ahead and like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next Teos Take video. Happy brewing!